Four-wheel drive not engaging on your Sequoia? Here's what you need to know. Fast. First up, check the obvious. Is your Sequoia in neutral or park? Four-wheel drive systems often won't engage if you're in drive or reverse. Next, look for warning lights on your dashboard. If you see the 4WD or check engine light, there could be an issue with sensors or wiring. Now listen for a clicking or grinding sound when you try to switch 4WD modes. No sound? The actuator motor, responsible for shifting into 4WD, could be faulty or stuck. If you're comfortable, crawl under the car and check for loose or damaged wiring on the transfer case. Sometimes all it takes is reconnecting a plug. Also, don't forget about the 4WD fuse or relay in your fuse box. A blown fuse can stop the system cold. Still stuck? Low transmission or transfer case fluid can keep your 4WD from engaging. Always top up with the recommended fluid for your Sequoia. If none of these steps work, it might be time to call in a pro. So, before you panic on that snowy day or muddy trail, run through this checklist. Your Sequoia's 4WD could be just a simple fix away.